Nervous System, Class 5th, Chapter 5, Part 1. Children, by the name of the chapter, you understand what we are studying about. Now, first we do this activity. Children, in the pic, what you are seeing? An apple. Now, you have to tell what are the senses that can be used to describe the apple. I think all of you know this. You are seeing apple with your eyes. You can touch apple with your hand, that means skin. You can smell apple with your nose and you can taste it by your tongue. So the four sense organ, eyes, nose, skin, tongue, so they help you to describe the apple. By using these sense organ, now you have to describe the apple. You can say about the apple, it is bright red in color, and by touching it you can say it is very smooth. As we touch it we feel smoothness. With the help of nose you can tell the smell about the apple, and when you eat it then you can tell the taste of the apple. So children, this activity have a fun. Now we start the chapter. Children, when we think or perform an activity, then our nervous system communicates with the different parts of the body through signals, through electric signals. We feel hot on touching a burning candle and quickly move our hand away. Children, this experience I think you get. When you are touching any hot object, then you quickly move your hand away. Now, how did we know that the candle was hot? It was our nervous system that sent a message to the brain through the nerves, and the brain immediately sent a message to the hand to move away from the candle. This process take place very fast because you immediately withdraw your hand. When you are touching any hot object, then you immediately withdraw your hand. But this action is performed by the order of the nervous system. Now nervous system controls every system of our body. Our others all systems are controlled by the nervous system. It controls everything that we do. Everything that we do, that is controlled by the nervous system, like walking, talking, thinking, even breathing also. Nervous system, this consists of the brain, nerves and the spinal cord. These are the three parts of the nervous system. The spinal cord, this is made up of special cells, and the special cells are called neurons or nerve cells. Children, here you are seeing pic of the nervous system. Children, our every action is controlled by the nervous system. Even when I ask question, then asking question by me, that is controlled by my brain. And if you are giving response, then it is controlled by you. When you are moving your hand and when you are clapping, when you are dancing, all actions are controlled by the brain.